Texas farmers are entering a battle like no other. Millions of invasive wild hogs are tearing through fields, destroying crops, tearing up the land, and causing billions of dollars in damages each year. Faced with this growing threat, they've been forced to take action. And in today's video, we'll explore all the methods Texas farmers are using to trap and control these aggressive, fast-breeding animals, through bold, creative, and sometimes even unbelievable tactics. Texas now has over 2.6 million wild hogs, nearly half the population of California. But these aren't farm pigs, they're feral hogs, introduced centuries ago and now a true nightmare. Each year, they cause over $500 million in crop damage, from corn to pecans. Even farm piglets aren't safe. In Sanger, farmer Garrett Schner lost 15% of his corn in one night to just 40 hogs. And the damage isn't just financial. These hogs also spread dangerous diseases like brucellosis, threatening thousands of farmers' livelihoods. This isn't a minor issue, it's a full-scale crisis. But Texas farmers are fighting back, taking action to reclaim their land. Below are the most effective hog trapping methods, and how they've evolved to a whole new level. Corral traps are large cages designed to capture an entire herd of wild hogs in one go. Farmers use corn as bait to lure them in and lower their guard. In 2023, these traps helped catch up to 461,000 hogs in Texas, a staggering figure. By 2025, after years of improvement, corral traps have gone high-tech. Farmers now use smart, cut-hole traps with live cameras and smartphone control, letting them monitor hogs and remotely close the gate only when the full group is inside. In Irving, officials use just one trap to capture a whole herd, disturbing a neighborhood. So, what would you choose, the classic method or the smart upgrade? In recent years, net traps and snare traps have become less common due to their limitations. Net traps, which drop from trees, are now less effective. Wild hogs have gotten too smart. Box traps, meant for catching single hogs, are slow and inefficient for today's large populations. Another concern is accidentally trapping non-target animals, like deer. Personally, I'd prefer a method with better control and higher capture rates, instead of wasting time on traps that might only catch one hog. In wild hog control, fencing is also used to stop lone hogs. A common method is installing galvanized steel mesh fences to keep them out of natural areas. One farmer in Conroe succeeded with a $10,000 no-gap fence, which has become a key solution for many Americans. It's also one of the 5 main trapping strategies mentioned earlier. Traps are just the start. In Texas, hunters are using bold new tactics, especially helicopter hunting, where shooters chase hogs from the air. It's a $4,000 thrill ride that can clear over 400 acres fast. But while dramatic and effective short-term, it often scatters hogs, making future control harder. That's why traps remain the most effective method. To win this fight, farmers need more than tools. They're now trained at Texas A&M workshops to design better traps and plan long-term strategies. Want to help? Join a trapping program, donate to Texas Wildlife Services, or spread the word. The more people take action, the better our chances. Want to join the fight? Tell us in the comments below, what's the biggest wild hog you've ever hunted? And don't forget to share this video to help spread the word and support Texas farmers in this uphill battle. See you in the next video.
That was awesome. Yeah,